Uwais. Bzzz. And today, have you seen this video? If you did not know, if you did not, then yeah, I'll just show you. Yeah. If you did not, then you can watch it right now, or you can just hear it. Here's how it sounds. Pretty cool, right? Well, I want to show you behind the scenes of this. So, oops. So firstly, I just use, actually this is how he sounds by his own. And this is the, remastered. So I'm going to show you the layers I use. Well, I of course use Dorako because he's Dorako. By the way, secret, he's a dragonfly. Actually, his design is based on a dragonfly. Anyways, I also use the Edgerush roar just to make it like sound a bit cool. Like, yo, listen. If you want to see, wait, okay, I'll show you how it sounds with only the Edgerush roars. Actually, yeah, only with the Edgerush roar. Just let me delete this for a while. See, I added that stuff so that it could be like quite cool. Yeah, you know, it's like, yo, listen. I also added a reversed Dorako roar. Here it is. Here's how it sounds. I know it sounds pretty cool, but the bad news is the ending isn't really cool. So, well, I made it to sound quite cool. I used this Edgerush. See? It sound like cool. Like, if you want to hear how it sounds normal with only these two, these are how they sound. Yeah, it's not so perfect, but still okay. I mean, when you hear it on its own, then you'll hear it quite cool. I also use the Baragon roar, but if you go to the video, you can't really hear it. Actually, you don't even can hear it. I only use this roar because I want to make it a bit more silent, so then you can't really hear. You definitely can't. And it's getting lower. So yeah, that's the only reason I use that. And here are the other Dorako roars. Yeah, here's how all of them sound normal. I made all of them literally. And now let's just do these ones. Let's skip here. Yeah, it's actually using the same roar, but then the other one I command C this, copied this and then added another one, so so then I like play it again. Yeah, I also used Edgerush roar, but then made it a bit darker. And yeah, this is another one of them. But this is another one. Yeah. It's like I sound recorded by custom Dorako roars. And this one I recorded from the Ultra Galaxy. I know, but it does not sound fully, so let me make it a bit longer. Yeah. This is actually from the video Telestone versus. From the video Telestone versus Dorako. And now this is another wall. I sound recorded by my own, not from other videos. Another one with Evira's deep one. Yeah, that's another one. Another low Evira. This is not another low one. Yeah. Actually, you know, this is not another Evira one. Yeah. I sound recorded by my own from another video. And yeah, so let's fix all that. It's taking so long. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, those are all behind the scenes I did. Wait. Yeah, those are all behind the scenes. Also, don't forget to smash like button. I'm kidding. But you can also, yeah, you can just do some random stuff. Wait, sorry, yeah. Anyways, bye. Wait, don't forget to subscribe to our channel cause we already reached 103 subscribers, and we are trying to get like 110. Yeah. So then when we reach 110 subscribers, we'll have some like videos we're gonna do. So yeah.